Morning, guys. We are going to be working on 3 by 1 division today, and you are going to do all 5 independent problems in your graph notebooks. You have all 5 questions on the same page at the end of my model, so you should be able to pause the video no problem and allow it to go ahead and pause so that you can get all the problems done and you won't have to replay and stop and all that jazz like you did before. Okay? Work hard. Remember level 0, everything in your graph notebook. Okay, so we have 426 divided by 3. So we're trying to take 426 and split it into 3 groups and see how much is in each group. So we want to place our 3 on the outside, and then we can make our apartment building. Now our apartment building will need 1, 2, 3 apartments because it has 3 digits. I place my 4 in the first apartment, then I need a secret door. I have my 2 in the second apartment. Then I need another secret door for the third apartment, and then our 6 goes in the last apartment. So the first thing I want to ask myself is what times 3 will get me closest to 4? So what can I multiply 3 by to get me close to 4? So 3, 6, 9. Well, 3 times 1 is going to get me closest to 4 without going over, so I'm going to put times 1 on the top of the house. Then the answer to this multiplication goes in the apartment. 1 times 3 is 3. Now I subtract. 4 take away 3 is 1. So I have this 1, and it wants to go and have a pizza party with the 2. So it goes through the secret door and hangs out with 2, which now is 12. So my next question, again, as a mathematician, what can I multiply 3 by that will get me closest to 12 without going over? So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 12 is exactly, 3 times 4 is exactly 12, so I'm going to multiply times 4. So the 4 goes on the house because that's what I'm multiplying by. And then I have 4 times 3, and the answer to that goes into the apartment. It's 12. 2 take away 2 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. The 0 on the right wants to go and have a dessert party with the 6. So now I have to ask myself again, same rules as we get into each apartment. What times 3 will get me closest to 6 without going over? So 3, 6, 9. 3 times 2 won't get me closest to 6, or exactly 6. So the 2 goes on top of the apartment building, and then 2 times 3 is 6, and the answer goes in the apartment. So 6 take away 6 is 0, so I have no remainder. So my answer to the equation is 142 in each group.